Okay, so next problem, determine the centroid for the figure 9.21. So page number 228. Okay, Sesha Prakash book. So refer that. So this all it's a figure. Okay, so in this figure I need to find the centroid. X bar and Y bar I need to find out. Okay, so in this they have given this picture to you. So now what you have to do, I know only formula for rectangles, but what you can do, this shape I don't have anything like this. So what I can do, I will just divide this into rectangles. How many rectangles? 1, 2, 3 rectangles. So I have divided, and the area is given like this. Okay, so first what you should do, what you should do, reference axis. Okay, so reference axis is given like this. Bottom, that x axis is given, and this is reference axis, and this is reference axis y. Okay, so if I cut with respect to x axis, it is not symmetrical, so I have to calculate this y bar. And if I cut this with this axis, it is not symmetrical, so I have to calculate x bar also. Okay, so I have to calculate x bar also. So x bar and y bar I need to calculate using a formula. So what is the formula? X bar a1 x1 plus a2 x2 plus a3 x3 divided by a1 plus a2 plus a3. What is y bar formula? a1 y1 plus a2 y2 plus a3 y3 divided by a1 plus a2 plus a3. Okay, fine. So now, so first this is how you can do it very easily. Like both the axis is not symmetrical, so I have made a tabulation for this. Okay, so first rectangle, if you take this first rectangle, okay, so from here to here is, so first rectangle from here to here is, it is your x1. Okay, so from here to here it is x1. So what is the x1 value? 50 by 2. So that is what here it is, 50 by 2. What about x2? From reference axis y to the centroidal axis. So what is the distance? 50 plus 150 divided by 2. See here, rectangle to x2. What about x3? 50 plus, from here to this distance is your x3. Local axis. So 50 plus 150 plus 50 by 2. That is what over here. Okay, so this is how we have to calculate x1, x2, x3, a1, a2, a3. Next, y bar. What is y bar? So now next is y1, y2, y3. So this is my rectangle. First I will draw one local axis. And y1 is what? Distance from reference axis x to centroidal axis, local centroidal axis xg. So what is this distance? The whole distance is 300. So 300 by 2, 150. Okay. And next, what next rectangle is this one once again. So next is second rectangle. Second rectangle, local axis you draw. So from local axis, centroidal axis to the reference axis. Y2. What is the distance? This whole distance is 150. So 150 by 2. And next Y3. Y3 is here. So what is Y3? Y3 is 200. So 200 by 2. What is Y3? Local axis you draw. X2, Xg3, Y3. So 200 divided by 200. So now what is have written? A1 into X1. A1 into X2. A1 X1 plus A2 X2 plus A3 X3 is equal to this one. A1 Y1, A2 Y2, A3 Y3 is equal to this one. So X bar, what is the formula? A1 X1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A3 X3 divided by summation of area. A1 Y1 plus A2 Y2 plus A3 Y3 divided by summation of area. This is how we have to calculate that.